Hello, welcome back. Today we will learn lesson number 2. Right, last week or last session we've done lesson 1. Let's go to the file and open lesson 1 folder. Now go back to file now. We've done first menu, all about info. New. What does new do? Before you do something on Word, you need to know what are you going to do. For example, if you need to create a poster, flyer, leaflet, or book or pocket sized book, you click on new and it gives you all the options there. If you're applying for a job and you need to compose a letter, if you click on letter, it will give you so many templates. Templates means they have a set format. All you need to do is select whichever you think it looks nice and then change the title, name and the address. So this is only one of the menu. So if you're going to click on new, this is all about letter. This is all about education. So if you click on education, it gives you so many different templates about education, questions, answers, diagrams. Yeah, go back to home. Holidays lets you create a poster. There you go, about holidays. Personal, it gives you relevant documents regarding your name, address, or maybe you just want to create a banner or something, or maybe invitation for your party. Go back to home. Flyers, if you've recently opened a shop and you want to sell something, maybe you just basically create a template. These are very catchy documents. So all you need to do when you open up, we will talk you through how to create different type of documents. If you have a business, then it gives you layout like a business. As you receive a lot of letters from your companies, banks, or if you can't find what you're looking for, then you can actually go and search. So if you click on search, it will search using your internet browser, and that could take a lot of time. And then searches could take you to a lot of websites where you have to buy templates, but we don't need to do this. Okay, open. So we've talked about info and about files. We've talked about new. Now we will talk about what to do. What's open? In our previous lesson, we saved this file as lesson 1. So instead of opening this file, I'm going to open Microsoft Word. And if you go to the home page, open, click on open, and it will tell you where you want to open your file from. If you've saved it on your OneDrive, computer, or recent document. What recent document does is it gives you the list of all the files you have viewed last it appears, starting from the most recent one, then it follows down and it goes in the consecutive order. But just say for whatever reason your file is not displayed there, and you go to open. Like I said, I like to save everything on desktop because it's easy for me to find. So go to desktop, and we were talking about Microsoft Word lessons. So you click on there. I'm going to open this. Okay, we've opened the file. So we've talked about file, info, new and open. Now save. So any work I do, we've talked about file, we've talked about what's in file, This new. We talked about open. Right, what's next? Save. Now I've done some work here. I want to save this. There are certain ways of saving. Microsoft Word saves documents automatically without asking you every often. So anything you do, it gets saved. For whatever reason, if something is not saved, then there are more chances for you to lose everything you've done. So you just quickly go to File and click on Save. So all this is saved. Right, what's Save As? Save As, you can create a new name. For example, this was lesson 1, so I'm going to call this lesson 2. So this will create another file in here. At the moment there's only one file, but I'm going to let you see it, so see how it looks. So if I go to Save As, I want you to focus on here in this box. What's going to happen? If I go to Computer, I want to save this file as a different name. So it's on desktop, which is this, and in there is this folder. So here, and I'm going to call it lesson 2. I want you to look here. It will appear here. At the moment there's only lesson 1. Lesson 2. There you go. It is also, it's gone. The grayed area was the backup file, but because this file is already saved, there's no need to do the backup. Close any window, you click on X. Okay, so we've done File, New, Open, Save, Save as Adobe PDF. A lot of companies or a lot of people prefer to have a PDF file. So what does PDF do? PDF, it's a Microsoft Acrobat Reader file, and PDF are very good to have, and it makes it easy for people to quick print and view and read. So go into File, Save as Adobe PDF. Yeah, from here it won't give you any other options than just PDF. So this file will be saved as PDF, lesson 2 PDF. So we cannot edit PDF, remember that, unless you have a special program. And there you go. So you cannot make changes here. I'm trying to type over it, but I cannot make changes. PDF is just a quick view and gives you basic options, what you can do and what you can't do. Okay, you can also save it as PDF. Okay, so PDF is very good format, because a lot of programs requires you to have PDF format. For example, if you become a very famous author and you want to promote your books, so you can either upload all these documents on Google Drive or Amazon or different websites. So it's good to have PDF. You can also save as PDF without going on there. If you click on Save As and then browse from the list, just select PDF. Okay, let me explain you what all this is about. This Microsoft Word is the latest version we are using, but sometimes some people may not have this version. So anything you save, and if you email it to them, they might not be able to open this because they don't have the newer version. This is basically you have a car from 1950 and you try to put 2020 part into 1950 car. It's not gonna work. But this is exactly same, this is a newer version. If you give this file to somebody else who does not have newer version, then they will not be able to open this file. So what you can do is go to File, Save As, Browse, and from here you can save it as a lower version, 2003 97, as you can see. So you can downgrade the format, so this can be compatible for lower version. But these days everybody's got this word, it comes in pre-installed computers anyway, so you don't need to worry about it. But main option where is the PDF. If you can save it as PDF, and this will help you a lot. Next option, print. If you have a printer connected, you can just send this to print and it goes to your printer. Sometimes if you don't print, you can send it to different printers if you have installed, or you can fax it to someone if you have a fax installed, or you can just save it as PDF and send it to someone by email. But these days everybody is trying to save papers, so you need to stop using printing unnecessarily. Save the trees, save the humanity, save the printing. Save the file, share it by social media, email them, and avoid printing unnecessary stuff. We need to look after each other, we need to look after greenery. So do not print unnecessary documents. And just to let you know, you can buy this course. Moving forward, we will cover absolutely as much as we can. And if you have any questions, by all means, you can get in touch with us or leave your feedback into the comments of this video. Okay, you can share this by email, iCloud, or you can share your screen with somebody online by giving your IP address. You can export the file. It's similar as saving it as PDF, and then you can close it, and it closes this document. It's asking me if I want to make any changes. Tick yes, and that's it. The file has been saved.